Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English Conversation, the official YouTube channel. Our channel will helps you all to learn how to speak in English. Develop your listening knowledge by listening the conversation. Today's our conversation is about at the hospital. In this conversation, there are two characters. One the patient and the another one is the doctor. Let's start our conversation. Watch full video, don't skip the video. The two-person perform like a patient and the doctor. Here, the conversation at the hospital.
May I come in, doctor? Please come, sit down. What's the problem? High fever for 2 days. Do you have headache? Yes. I have started coughing too. Well, it's a viral fever. I will give you tablets and syrup for coughing. How should I take them, doctor? In the morning and at night. 1 tablet each before food. And 1 teaspoon of syrup each time. Okay, doctor. Thank you. Welcome.
The conversation is over.
The usual conversation in our daily life. The topic of our today's conversation is at the hospital is over. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.